How to use Clearpay on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to use Clearpay on Amazon. So make sure to watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So let me make you aware that it is not as simple as you think. So you cannot directly go ahead and link your Clearpay or Afterpay with your Amazon. Instead, what you can do is simply you can just go ahead and tap on your Clearpay, tap the websites, and after that, make sure to log in and sort the gift cards available in the application. Once you do that, you have to go ahead and use those gift cards in your Amazon, and that's pretty much for the video. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.